Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where I show you the latest tips and tricks on getting your pool ready for summer, but even more enjoyable. In today's video, I will show you 5 things to do to get your pool ready for summer. So if you're ready, let's dive into the video. Tip 1, filters. If you have a DE filter, cartridge filter, or a sand filter, it's a good time to go ahead and check those and make sure that they're functioning properly. 1, the cartridge, if it needs cleaning or replace it, good time to do it. Don't wait until the middle of summer. DE filters, great time to take it apart, inspect the grids or the manifold, make sure nothing's cracked or ripped or broken. If it is, you'll definitely need to replace it, because what will happen, all the debris that goes into the filter will go right back into the swimming pool. Next filter is the sand filter. If you have a sand filter, good time to take the top apart, check the sand, make sure it's nice and gritty and not clumpy in any way, because if it is clumpy, the water will just channel right through the filter and not get filtered properly. You want the water to be able to just go through the sand nice and smooth. This way it's grabbing all the particles that it can. Alright? Next is cleaners. If you have a suction cleaner or a pressure cleaner or an in-ground cleaning system, it's a good time to hang out by the pool for 10-15 minutes. Make sure the cleaner is working the way it should and it's not stopping or getting stuck. If it is, grab it, take it into a local pool store, have them take it apart and inspect it, maybe replace the parts that's needed so it's running properly for the summer. Alright? Next, chemicals. If you have a saltwater pool or you're using basic chlorine, make sure the chlorine floater that you put the tablets in is big enough for your pool and the amount of gallons. Okay? If it's not, maybe it's time to get 2 of them. Check in the salt system, make sure you clean the cell, look at the control panel, see what it's saying, if it's giving you an error or anything like that. Great time to replace it. Don't wait until July to find out it's not doing what it needs to do, and then you have a bigger problem on your hand. Alright? Step 4, the water balancing. It's time to take it into a store and have them check every single thing that they can for the water. Reason is because if you're using test strips and you're only testing chlorine, pH, alkaline, which is fine, but you need them to test conditioner, hardness, TDS, salt, and see where it is. Because the reason is that you might need to drain your pool, 20, 30%, 50%, or even 100%. And you don't want to have to wait until summer to find out that you have to wait until it cools down or next season to drain the water out, and then you're fighting it all summer long with different chemicals to the swimming pool. And like you've known, chemicals have gotten very expensive now for a swimming pool. Next is the pump to the pool. If the pump has been making noise over the winter months, it's probably time to have it replaced, because what will happen, it's on its way out and it will just die on you, and you will not know until it's too late again and you will have a green pool. So good idea to maybe get the motor replaced or call someone, have them come out, check the pump, see what's going on, and get it running at 150%. Alright? Heaters. If you're using a heater to heat the spa, check the heater, make sure it's not leaking, maybe fire it up once or twice and make sure it's working, so when you do go to fire it up for the summer parties and get the spa ready, that it's going to work and not wait last minute. Alright? So if you do these things now, you should have a much easier summer maintaining your swimming pool and really enjoying it and saving some money maintaining it yourself if you choose to. So I hope you have a great summer, safe summer, and a pool that you can enjoy. Thanks for watching. Until the next video.